Hello, dog lovers! In this presentation, we are going to share with you some useful and fun tips on how to take care of your furry friends in case of an emergency. Dog emergencies can happen anytime, anywhere, and to any dog. They can be scary, stressful, and even life-threatening. But don't worry. We are here to help you prepare for the worst and hope for the best. Here are 5 tips on dog emergency care that you should know. Tip number 1. Know the signs of a dog emergency. Some common signs are difficulty breathing, vomiting blood, seizures, collapse, severe bleeding, poisoning, choking, heat stroke, or trauma. If you notice any of these signs, don't panic, act fast, and call your vet or an emergency clinic. Time and what you do immediately after the first few minutes makes all the difference. Tip number 2. Have a first aid kit for your dog. A first aid kit can be a lifesaver in a dog emergency. It should contain items such as gauze, bandages, scissors, tweezers, antiseptic, hydrogen peroxide, activated charcoal, thermometer, muzzle, and a blanket. You can buy a ready-made kit or make your own with the help of your vet. You can pick one up from your pet store or pet clinic, but you need to understand how to use it. Otherwise, to you, it will just be a toolbox without the necessary skills on how to use it. Tip number 3. Learn how to perform CPR and Heimlich maneuver on your dog. CPR and Heimlich maneuver can save your dog's life if they stop breathing or choke on something. You can learn how to do them by watching online videos, reading books, or taking a course. Remember to check your dog's pulse, airway, and breathing before performing any of these techniques. Tip number 4. Keep your dog's medical records handy. In a dog emergency, you may need to provide your dog's medical history, vaccination records, medications, allergies, and any other relevant information to the vet or the emergency staff. You can keep these records in a folder, a flash drive, or a cloud service, and make sure you have easy access to them. Tip number 5. Have a plan for transportation and evacuation. In a dog emergency, you may need to transport your dog to the nearest vet or emergency clinic, or evacuate them from a dangerous situation. You should have a plan for how to do this safely and quickly. You should have a crate, a leash, a collar, and an ID tag for your dog, and a list of emergency contacts and locations. These are just 5 tips on dog emergency care that we wanted to share with you today. We hope you found them helpful and informative.